Today's video is totally related to clarifying the confusion. A lot of people get confused among these three words, xiang, yao, and xiangyao, because these all mean to want or to want something. But what is the difference and how to use them correctly? Don't worry, today we are going to learn it together. The first difference between xiang and yao is xiang is more soft, like a wish, like something you are thinking to do. But yao is much stronger, urgent, and sometimes could be aggressive. For example, 我想去动物园. I want to go to the zoo. In this case, you haven't go to the zoo for a while and you want to go to the zoo. But when you say 我要去动物园, it's more like a request. Like kids are telling the dad, Papa, 我要去动物园. It's much more stronger. Xiang is soft, but yao is stronger. If you want something from another person, like a request, Papa, 我要一台新电脑. And if you want something for yourself, like a strong determination, 我要去中国. Second difference between xiang and yao is a difference of context. For example, when you say 我想吃米饭, in this case you are in the house and you are maybe thinking what you should eat today for lunch, and I want rice. But if you are already in the restaurant and you are ordering, you use yao. 我要米饭. I want rice. Next difference between xiang and yao is the usage is different. For example, yao can be followed by a noun. For instance, 我要一杯咖啡. But xiang can't be followed by a noun. For instance, you cannot say 我想一个礼物. I want a gift. No, this is a wrong sentence. So how to say I want a gift? Here comes xiangyao. It is a mix of xiang and yao. It lies in the middle. It is not so soft and not so strong. 90% of the time, xiangyao is followed by a noun. For example, 我想要一个礼物. I want a gift. 我想要一个孩子. In this case, you cannot use a single xiang. You need to use xiangyao. Like I said, 90% of the time, xiangyao is followed by a noun. But there are cases where xiangyao is also followed by a verb. When it is followed by a verb, it is a mix of xiang and yao. It lies in the middle. It is not so soft and not so strong or aggressive. Actually, it's on the side of xiang. It's more soft. But when xiangyao is followed by a verb, it is more like a single xiang. For example, 我想要和你结婚. 我想和你结婚. The different people have different habits and customs. Some people have custom to use xiang. Some people have customs to use xiangyao. Actually, there is no difference. These both are the same. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.